Did you know that by the end of 2024, Fiverr is projected to have over 5.5 million active gigs? Yes, you heard it right. Fiverr, the well-known online marketplace, is booming with opportunities for freelancers worldwide. With the surge in the number of gigs, the potential earnings for freelancers are skyrocketing. It's an exciting time for all who are part of this thriving community. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of Fiverr and explore 9 gigs that sell like crazy in 2024. First up, YouTube keyword research. This is an essential step that every YouTube creator should take before hitting that upload button. Why, you ask? Well, keyword research is like a roadmap that guides creators to understand what their audience is searching for. It's about discovering those golden phrases that will help their videos get discovered, attract more views, and rise to the top of YouTube's search results. Now, offering this service on Fiverr can be a game changer. It's all about understanding the client's niche, using the right tools to find high-volume, low-competition keywords, and crafting an SEO-friendly title and description for their video. For instance, successful gig listings in this category often highlight the seller's experience in SEO and their understanding of YouTube's algorithm. They also promise a comprehensive keyword report and actionable tips for optimizing the client's content. So, with the right skills, you can help creators get their content in front of more eyes. Next, we have Spotify banner creation. In the digital age, music and podcasts aren't just about the audio. Visual representation matters too, and that's where custom Spotify banners come in. These banners are an artist's or podcaster's visual handshake to their audience, often the first thing people see when they come across a new track or series. Crafting eye-catching, engaging banners is a skill in high demand. Think vibrant colors, impactful typography, and a design that captures the essence of the music or podcast. As an artist's first impression, a well-designed banner can make all the difference. Let's move on to personalized workout or nutrition plans. The demand for tailored health plans is on the rise as people yearn for a more individualized approach to fitness and nutrition. As a Fiverr freelancer, you can tap into this trend. By offering customized workout schedules or dietary regimes, you can cater to this niche. Key to success? Knowledge, authenticity, and personalization. Provide a service that is uniquely tailored to each client's needs and lifestyle. Help others achieve their health goals while making a healthy income yourself. Next on the list, certificate design. There's a substantial market for this, including diplomas and awards. It's all about creating designs that make achievements shine. Think about it. These certificates often find their way onto walls or desks, becoming a focal point. So the design needs to be appealing, professional, and worthy of display. Take a look at some examples of well-crafted certificates. Notice the balance between formality and creativity. Remember, your design could be the highlight of someone's achievement. Moving on to SEO services. In this digital age, the demand for search engine optimization, or SEO, services is ever growing. These services typically include keyword research, link building, and on-page optimization, all aimed at improving a website's visibility on search engines. As an SEO expert on Fiverr, you can offer these services and more. To stand out, consider offering comprehensive SEO audits, competitor analysis, or localized SEO. Remember, it's all about helping businesses grow their online presence with your SEO expertise. Now, let's talk about graphic design. Graphic design is more than just making things look pretty. It's about communication, problem solving, and bringing ideas to life. With the digital world thriving, graphic design services are in high demand, and Fiverr is a fantastic platform to offer these services. From creating logos to branding, graphic design incorporates a variety of services. A logo, for instance, is a company's first impression. It's their identity. It needs to resonate with the audience, and that's where your creativity comes in. On the other hand, branding is about creating a unique image for a company in the consumer's mind. It's about consistency, from the color scheme to the typeface. To attract clients on Fiverr, you need to showcase a portfolio that screams creativity and professionalism. Include your best work. Let your designs speak for themselves. Remember, clients are not just buying a design, they're buying your vision, your creativity. Your creative skills can help businesses stand out in the crowd. Next up, website development. In the digital age, having a professional and functional website is a necessity for businesses and individuals alike. Offering website development services on Fiverr can be a lucrative gig. It's all about creating a site that not only looks great, but also works seamlessly. You can choose to specialize in popular platforms like WordPress and Shopify. WordPress is a flexible and user-friendly platform, ideal for bloggers and small businesses. Shopify, on the other hand, is perfect for e-commerce sites, offering a range of features to facilitate online sales. When advertising your gig, showcase your previous projects to demonstrate your skills and expertise. Remember, it's not just about building a website. It's about creating an online space that effectively represents the client's brand and engages their target audience. So, whether you're coding from scratch or customizing a template, your skills can bring someone's dream website to life. Let's delve into social media management. As a social media manager, your role is like a bridge, connecting businesses with their target audiences. You curate content, engage with followers, and analyze results to drive growth. Services range from platform setup, content creation, to analytics reporting. It's more than just posting updates, though. You're expected to understand the brand, its voice, and its audience. You'll be crafting a narrative, sparking discussions, and fostering community. Help businesses connect with their audience on a personal level. Last but not least, copywriting and content writing. In the digital age, words wield power. SEO, search engine optimization, is the invisible hand that guides these words. It's not just about weaving beautiful prose, it's about embedding the right keywords that search engines and your audience love. Now, creating engaging content is a craft. It's about striking a balance between informative and interesting, all while keeping your readers' attention. The secret sauce? Understand your audience, know their pain points, and provide solutions in a language they relate to. Here's a tip for successful copywriting gigs. Showcase your versatility. Be the writer who can pen a technical blog post, spin a captivating story, and draft a persuasive sales page. Remember, variety is the spice of a copywriter's life. So, whether you're crafting a blog post or an email campaign, remember this. Your words can drive traffic, sales, and success for businesses. And there you have it, 9 Fiverr gigs that sell like crazy in 2024. From YouTube keyword research and Spotify banner creation, to personalized health plans, certificate design, and the evergreen SEO services. Not to mention graphic design, website development, social media management, and copywriting. Each holds an ocean of opportunities just waiting for you to dive in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on Fiverr gigs and freelance opportunities. Here's to your success on Fiverr.